Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have you on a top-down setup today because I don't have a lot of time to film, and this is so much easier to set up. Usually it takes me about half an hour to set up, and I really don't have that time today. I finally got my August Birchbox, so I'm going to unbox this, but not before I give you a little review of the July box. If you are a Birchbox subscriber, you will know that they have changed the website over. And because of that, there have been delays this month with the boxes. I only got my box on the 19th of August. If there is something to pick between, you should be able to do it in your account. That part of my account is still not active yet, and I cannot see a lot of things in my account yet. I am hoping that that will be fixed by next month, because September is my 6th box, and I am planning on cancelling after my 6-month subscription is up. And I will do like a little review of all the 6 boxes and whether it was worth it and everything like that. Right, but before we get into the August box, let's see what I thought of the July one. So first I had this from Scented, a little balm. It was in the Happy scent. I quite enjoy this one. I have similar things that are like on a roller ball, and I don't really use them all that much, but this one I actually reached for and used it, maybe because it's also small, so it doesn't feel daunting to use or use up. And I still have a little bit, so even though it was so small, it goes a long way. I had a look on their website and it looks quite cool. They have all sorts of different scents. They have diffusers as well, and they do bundles, so I am intrigued by this, and I'm keeping their website and their company in mind for maybe Christmas, birthdays, things like that. Then I had this lipstick from my beauty brand. And that's the shade there. I think I've only used it once or twice. This is a shade that I would probably use more for certain looks or during the festive season. So yeah, it will probably be used a little bit more then. Then I had the Sand and Sky travel size of the Emu Apple Super Bounce Mask. Honestly, this was just okay. I don't see the hype. I'm gonna keep using it because I still have a little bit more left. But so far it's just okay. This from Daily Concepts was a daily body scrub. I quite enjoy it. It's really nice, and I found that I can like do my put my shower gel on it, and it basically does scrubbing and washing me at the same time, so I quite enjoy this, and it's really travel friendly as well. And then the last thing in here was the Grace and Stella lavender lotion. Again, okay, sinks into the skin nice enough or quick enough. The fragrance is quite subtle for me, but then again, I don't have the best sense of smell, and I have a tiny bit left. When I have smaller packages, I kind of like feel a lot more inclined to reach for them for some reason. Yeah, because I think I get a little bit of a satisfaction when I finish something. So that was July box. Okay, let's open up the August box. So this box is supposed to be a real pleasure. So they are wanting to make us think about sexual wellness. Okay. So the first thing in here is the booty mask from Lap Cos. I think that's how you pronounce it. This is not something that I am too interested in. It doesn't really matter to me how my booty looks like because it's hardly out nowadays. I tend to cover myself up when I'm at the beach or things like that. But it's supposed to give smoother and firmer skin in just 2 minutes, and you apply a sheet on each side of the buttocks and leave on for 10 to 20 minutes. It says avoid sitting while wearing, so I already know that I'm not going to do this one. I don't know, I'll let you know next time, but I hardly think that I'm going to use this, especially if something is a hassle to use and it's not easy. I'm bound to not using it. I might just do it for a giggle and just see if I see a difference. Let me know if you are interested in knowing what it does or if it works and things like that. Next, from Balance Me, we have the Vitamin C Brightening Eye Serum, and we have a 5 ml size in here, which is a really good size to try out an eye cream. 5 ml will last quite a long way. I do like brightening eye serums, especially in the morning, but for an eye cream, I also want something that provides with a lot of hydration and anti-wrinkle properties. This one looks like it will be for just in the morning. It says that it's formulated to combat puffy eyes, signs of fatigue and dark circles, and ingredients like hydrating hyaluronic acid, oh that's good, energizing green caffeine and calming elderflower. Visibly brighter eyes are just one application away. See what the consistency is like. That feels nice and thick and hydrating, so I might get along with it. Next is something that I had from Birchbox before and I really enjoyed it, and this is the Ciate Fierce Flick eyeliner. I was actually wondering when I'm going to get an eyeliner. Eyeliners are kind of like the norm in beauty boxes. Yeah, I'm quite happy with this one. I don't always use liquid eyeliner, but when I do, it's good to have because it's so easy to use. Even for me, somebody who doesn't usually do eyeliner all that much, and when I do, I usually use either a gel or a pencil. So yeah, this is easy to use and I'm happy to have it. Next, we have a shampoo bar with argan oil and rose oil, and this smells so nice. From what I see here, this is not a full size. This is 23 grams. It's still enough. I can see the outline there. It is still enough for me to know whether I would like it or not. I do like a shampoo bar now and again. So yeah, I'm quite happy to have this one and try it out. It's supposed to leave the hair deeply hydrated and nourished, which is something that I definitely look for. So yes, happy with that one. And the last thing we have from Huygens, I think, the hyaluronic acid concentrate. So I'm guessing this is a serum. And what size did I get in here? 5 ml. This looks really nice and cute, and I do like hyaluronic acid serums. So yeah, I am very excited to try this. Oh, and it's supposed to have fresh cucumber scent. Okay, let's give it a sniff. Oh, that's very cucumbery. If you don't like cucumber scent, you're definitely not going to like this. I don't mind it. It feels very lightweight, but it stretches so much. That's good. That's gonna be nice. So this is my box in August. I'm very intrigued by the booty mask. Very happy to try these and very happy to have this again. So for me, overall, this is a good month and a good box. So let me know down below what you thought of this box. If you do get Birchbox yourself, what did you get different in your box, or was your box the same? Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see what I thought of this box next month, and also if you want to see what I thought of the overall 6 months experience with Birchbox this time. So I will see you in my next video. Bye!